Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we got some finger licking chicken and fish. This is my first time trying them. I've been waiting to try them for the longest. They're located in Lansing, Michigan. I'm about to try because I've been waiting and I'm hungry, so I'm just gonna get right into it. This is their catfish. I like this. Got hot sauce. I like to try it without hot sauce first. I got some chicken wings. The chicken is good. That's crunchy. It's good. Ooh. I'm sorry. I want to eat. I'm about to talk in a minute. But today I'm going to be talking about, it's going to be kind of based on not giving up on what you want to do. What to do when you're feeling discouraged. Because I've been going through that a lot lately. Like, I've been feeling real unsure about myself, like discouraged and not feeling like I'm good enough. Not as far as good enough for other people, but good enough for myself. Like, at my age, I feel like I'm not quite where I want to be in life. All them crunchy parts. That fish is so good. I'm not even using hot sauce because let's try it with that. I'm saying like I feel like I can do better for myself. Kids back there. Not laying down. Lay down, Poopy. It's your nap time, baby. Like, I want to do more. I be feeling like I'm doing too much, but then I'm like, oh no, I'm not doing enough. Don't ever let people make you feel like you're doing too much. You're never doing enough. Like, I'm not saying you're not doing enough, but you can never do too much for yourself. Do whatever you want to do. The fish is so... I don't even want to try this with hot sauce. I hope my message gets out across to people because I know I be feeling like down sometimes. And I be confused like, am I doing what I'm supposed to be doing in life? Well, is this my path, you know? Sometimes I don't know, like, am I moving in the right direction? Like, I feel blessed, but then sometimes I feel like I'm blocking my blessings by making certain moves or not making certain decisions. I don't know what they season this with, but this is my new place. Especially this fish, like, I don't know. It's so crispy and seasoned. I don't even need no hot sauce. Ooh. It's crunchy. And it was delivered and it's still fresh and hot. But back to what I was saying, like, on the days when I feel discouraged, that's a specific thing to prove to myself, like, you're not giving up. Don't even think about it. Because there's days where I just want to give up on certain things, and I'm like, say it to them. So, on those days I feel like really down and like, I don't know if I want to, like, I just want to give up. It's not working out. On the days I feel like that, I have to tell myself, like, stop forgetting who you are and what you're capable of doing, and stop forgetting what you've dreamed about. Like, your dreams are almost coming true. Like, you're almost there. Just stay patient. Like, be patient. Stay positive. Stay hopeful. And that's all you can do. And it's, as corny as people make it sound, like, it's the truth. Like, all you have to do is just keep on with what you're doing, and you'll get there. And this is coming from, like, me giving my own self-advice. I'm going to take my own advice, because sometimes I don't. And I'm like, oh, I don't want to do this today. Oh, I'm not feeling it today. Like, even these videos, sometimes I'm like, oh, it's too much. I don't want to do it. But I'm back into doing it. I'm going to try to get back consistent on everything that I want to do. As far as my hair channel, my food channel, and my nail channel. I have a nail channel, a video for my nail channel that I haven't posted yet. I need to get me a real digital camera, because I use my phone for everything. And sometimes it always be like, oh, you're running out of space and all that. And interrupting my video, ruining it. It deletes my footage sometimes, so I really, really want to invest in getting a real camera. Emilio. And my problem, I be wanting stuff perfect. My baby about to get in trouble. He's supposed to be taking a nap. I be wanting stuff perfect. I'm a little bit OCD, I ain't gonna lie. So when I'm trying to do something, I always try to do it to my perfection. I'm very detailed, so just because I feel like it ain't good enough doesn't mean it's not. Even though your opinion counts for what, you know, for what you're putting out. Your own opinion counts as well, but sometimes I do be over the top. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect. And that's my thing. I always think it gotta be perfect. So that's why I feel like it's not never good enough. Because nothing ever is perfect. So it's never gonna be perfect because, I mean, it's never gonna be good enough in my eyes because it can't be perfect. That's one thing I'm working on right now. Stop wanting things to be perfect. Stop having such high expectations. And this is me telling myself this. I need to just stop having such high expectations of things, and then I won't be disappointed all the time. And that's the truth. Because the more I want and want and want, it's never going to be that. That is so good. I don't know what they season this fish with, but I need the recipe. Look how crunchy. Listen to this. Oh, it's so crunchy. And it's been sitting here for a minute. And it was delivery, like, and it's still crunchy. And it's still warm. I like this place. It's called Finger Licking Chicken and Fish. I'd definitely be ordering from them again. Like, wow. And then I will be getting my fish from there. See, this is the type of place you would never think to go because the way it looked. I ain't gonna lie, it looked a little like rinky-dinky, like the building was small. And I seen it online, and I'm like, I'm not gonna judge it off of how it looks. I'm gonna look at some of the reviews, and I'm also gonna look at the pictures of food and see if I like it or not. And that's what I did, and it looked good. The fish looked just like the picture. It was a real picture, a review somebody posted, and I'm like, yeah, I want that. And that's what I got. The chicken. Somebody was like, that is one of the best places I've been for chicken. It said some of the best chicken they have. So I'm like, I love chicken. Give me some of that. Boom. But anyway, I've been needing to tell myself, like, you can do this. Like, stop being so hard on yourself. I am my worst critic for real because I be so hard on myself. I'm always down in everything I do. Like, it's never good enough. And I need to stop doing that. And I know me telling people, giving advice, and I need to take my own advice. But, I don't know. I feel like everybody can get through their struggles. Everybody can get through their hard times. Like, if they feeling down about themselves, their confidence low, their self-esteem low. I feel like people are always their own worst critic anyway. That goes with anybody. Like, most people... Oh, that light bright. Most people don't worry about what other people... Okay, no, let me reword. Because people worry about what people think or say. Come here, baby. Come here. Most people do worry about what people think. That's true. That's not true. When people, I don't care what nobody think. I don't care what nobody else say. People do care. They're just not going to care enough to, like, go off what they saying. Sometimes they will, sometimes they won't. Sometimes I go off what people saying because I'm like, maybe they right, maybe I need to work on that, maybe this and that. And then sometimes I'm like, I don't care what they saying, they just hate them. Most times people are trying to pray on your downfall. Like, if they see you doing better than them, they do get mad. People do. They get jealous, they envy you. People do. That's just how I go. It don't matter if you, like, nobody perfect, but it don't matter if you 10 out of 10. It don't matter if you 100%. It don't matter if you this or that. People is still gonna have their opinion. It don't matter, like, it don't matter how good you are at something or how bad you are at it. Somebody gonna have something to say. Period. Point blank, regardless. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. I'm gonna finish this and then I'm gonna close this video out because I'm tripping. And I gotta get ready for my my client. I don't want this to go to waste. It's not anyway, but I'd rather eat it while it's still hot. I didn't even need no hot sauce. Like, this is good. So guess what? My message in this video is just do you. Just be yourself, just do you. For a long time, I was just trying to fit everybody else's needs and worried about how they looked at me, like as far as my image and what they thought about me. I'm literally about to stop caring. Especially, like, since they don't stop what's going on in my life. They don't make what's going on in my life. Like, I make those decisions. I'm in control of that. So why would I go off what somebody's saying? When they're not me, they don't control my life. So I'm not finna worry about what they're saying. And nobody else should either. Oh, so good. I'm sorry about my kids being loud. Whew. I guess I can tell her to come on now. But that concludes this video for real though. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that message helps people because some people be needing to hear that, you know. You never know what somebody going through, how they feeling. You never know how they feeling about themselves or their life, or like you just never know what somebody is feeling like or what they thinking about themselves. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. I will be doing more soon. I'll be trying to post more. It's very hard for me right now, but I will be trying to stay on that. And I will get back to you guys in the next video. Bye.